Welcome to my FinBrain review. If you're looking for an AI-powered trading bot to help boost your trading strategy, you might have come across FinBrain. In this video, I'll walk you through my experience using this platform and give you a detailed look at its features, performance, and overall usefulness. When you first visit the FinBrain website, you're greeted with a clean, professional design that promises an AI-driven approach to trading. It aims to help traders, both experienced and beginners, by using algorithms to predict stock and crypto market trends. I was intrigued by the promises of machine learning and data analysis, so I decided to give it a try. After signing up and accessing the dashboard, you'll notice the platform is designed to be easy to navigate, with clear sections for the different assets it covers, including stocks and cryptocurrencies. The AI technology that powers FinBrain is designed to analyze massive amounts of historical market data, providing insights and predictions that can assist in making informed trading decisions. I was impressed by how quickly it generates trading signals based on its analysis. One of the standout features of FinBrain is its AI algorithm, which uses data patterns to generate predictive insights for different markets. You can track these predictions over time to gauge the accuracy of the model. After using it for a while, I found that its performance, while not perfect, did provide a good baseline for making trading decisions. Another positive aspect is the range of customization available. You can tailor your experience by adjusting parameters to suit your trading style. Whether you're looking for short-term or long-term predictions, FinBrain offers flexibility to adapt its model to your needs. Many useful links can be found in the description. Overall, FinBrain is an intriguing tool for those looking to automate their trading strategies. It's not a guarantee for profit, but it provides useful data points that can aid your trading decisions. If you're someone who enjoys using AI to enhance your investment strategy, this tool could be a valuable addition to your toolkit. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of trading tools and bots.